If you want to clone apps on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can go to settings on your phone, then we're gonna scroll down in here and you want to go to advanced features. Over here in advanced features, you should be able to find the dual messenger option, and here we can duplicate some apps. Unfortunately, the list of supported apps here is quite short and only some social media apps can be duplicated over here. Unfortunately, I don't think there's like a proper list, a full list of all apps that can be supported, and over here you can only see apps that you have installed. But if you decide to duplicate something using this dual messenger feature, then you can just simply tap on this switcher over here on the right side, right next to the app that you want to clone, and then you want to install the second copy of that app. And of course, afterwards, you should be able to find it in the app drawer, for example. Now, if you want to clone any app, then there is an alternative that we can use, and that is the secure folder. Now, in order to find the secure folder, in settings, we want to go to security and privacy, then over here choose more security settings, and we should be able to find the secure folder. Of course, we need to set it up, so let's just keep going. Let's grant all of these permissions, and then soon we should be able to set up a password. Now, the reason why secure folder works when we want to clone apps is simply because the secure folder is treated like a separate environment, like its own private space, where the data is simply contained within the secure folder and it does not interact with anything that we have outside of that secure folder. This includes apps, so if you have an app installed, you can install exactly the same app in the secure folder, and all the data doesn't really collide between these two apps. So over here now we need to choose the password type for the secure folder. I'm just gonna set up a simple pin code over here. There we go. Enter your password twice in order to confirm. You can also use your Samsung account to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So I'm gonna tap on allow and then we can go next. By the way, you can also set up the fingerprint sensor if you wish to have a more convenient access to the secure folder. Here you can choose what should happen when the secure folder is locked, so you can allow the background activity of apps, or you can just close all apps when you lock the secure folder. And then we have the information about the fact that we can hide the secure folder. Afterwards, we're going to open the secure folder, and the secure folder can be found in the app drawer. And now over here we can use this plus button. And as you can see here, we have the list of apps that we have installed. So let's say I'm gonna choose a couple of apps that I, let's say, want to duplicate. And I'm gonna choose, maybe let's even use the calculator. I'm not sure why you would like to clone the calculator, but just as an example, we're gonna use Gmail and let's say Spotify and TikTok, and maybe that's it. So we can now tap on this add option, and there we go. These apps are now installed inside the secure folder. And like I said, everything that you have here does not really interact with anything that you have outside of that secure folder. So these apps do not have right now any data whatsoever. These are fresh, newly installed apps. And that is pretty much the whole trick. So as you can see, for example, here I have the Spotify and TikTok, and I also have Spotify in here, and I'm pretty sure I have TikTok somewhere over here as well, although it might be actually hidden, but still, I do have it. So yeah, we can easily use the secure folder to clone our apps and to, for example, use two different data for these apps, like different accounts, different settings, and whatnot. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.